This is the DataHub metadata model, a single graph that unifies every kind of context about your data. DataHub starts with technical context, not just data assets like datasets, pipelines, charts, and dashboards, but the code repositories, services, and AI agents that produce and consume them. And it captures how they all connect. A repository defines the pipelines, services, and agents each one produces, reads, or queries the dataset, while schemas, lineage, and query logic wire it into one graph. On top of that sits operational context, how fresh a dataset is, its profile, column-level statistics, and the data quality results that tell you whether to trust it. Next comes logical or business context. The business glossary lets you map your own vocabulary onto the graph. Domains, data products, glossary terms, and the documentation that describes them. Out of the box, those concepts form a hierarchy. Terms roll up into categories, and one term can be a kind of another. But you're not limited to a built-in hierarchy. You can define completely custom relationships between any concepts, modeling how your business actually connects its data. That's what turns a glossary into a living ontology. But data doesn't manage itself. People do. And DataHub captures organizational context, the users, groups, and teams who work with your data, the roles that grant access, and the ownership that ties each person to what they're accountable for. Finally, it all connects. Business concepts link down to the physical assets they describe, and the people and teams wrap around the things they own, concept, asset, and owner in one graph. Technical, operational, logical, and organizational context, unified in a single living graph. This is the DataHub context graph.